If you're a fan of vibrant, fresh, and absolutely mouthwatering pasta dishes, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the world of culinary delight with a recipe that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Pasta with burst cherry tomato sauce. Cherry tomatoes are often underestimated in the culinary world, but they have the potential to transform any dish they touch. Bursting with sweet, juicy flavor and a burst of color, these tiny treasures are a chef's secret weapon. When gently heated, cherry tomatoes burst open, creating a luscious sauce that's perfect for coating pasta. So, grab your apron and let's get cooking. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 12 ounces of your favorite pasta, 2 pints of fresh cherry tomatoes, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, 1/4 cup of fresh basil, chopped, 1/4 cup of fresh parsley, chopped, 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, a pinch of red pepper flakes, optional, grated Parmesan cheese for garnish. Let's jump right into the preparation. Boil the pasta. Begin by bringing a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add your pasta and cook it according to the package instructions until it's al dente. Remember, al dente pasta has a delightful bite to it, which pairs perfectly with our burst cherry tomato sauce. Create the burst cherry tomato sauce. While the pasta is cooking, heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and let it sizzle for about 30 seconds until it becomes fragrant. Add the cherry tomatoes. This is where the magic happens. Add the fresh cherry tomatoes to the skillet. Sprinkle them with a pinch of salt and pepper. If you enjoy a touch of heat, toss in some red pepper flakes for a little kick. Enjoying the video? Leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Let them burst. Allow the cherry tomatoes to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. As they heat up, they'll start to burst open, releasing their sweet juices. Remember to stir occasionally to ensure they cook evenly. Prepare the pasta. While the tomatoes are bursting, drain your cooked pasta and set it aside, ready to be coated in that incredible sauce. Add fresh herbs. Once the cherry tomatoes have created a luscious sauce, stir in the fresh basil and parsley. These herbs add a burst of freshness and color to our dish. Now let's plate this beauty. Place a generous portion of pasta on your plate. Ladle that amazing burst cherry tomato sauce over the top. Finish it off with a sprinkle of fresh basil, parsley, and some grated Parmesan cheese. All right, the moment of truth. Time for the most anticipated moment, the taste test. As you take that first bite, you'll experience a symphony of flavors. The burst cherry tomato sauce is a harmonious blend of sweet and savory, perfectly complementing the tender pasta. The freshness of the basil and parsley adds a pop of flavor that makes this dish truly irresistible. Pasta with burst cherry tomato sauce is not just a recipe, it's a culinary experience. It's a celebration of summer flavors and the simplicity of fresh ingredients coming together to create something extraordinary. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, this dish is a must-try. So why wait? Head to your kitchen, grab those cherry tomatoes, and start cooking. Your taste buds will thank you for it.